So I think this place is called Nyhavn. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but it's Nyhavn. Nyhavn. I don't know. Danish is a crazy language, but it's fun. I wish I were fluent in it, but Danish people speak better English than I do. And it's famous for these Dutch kind of style houses. Oh look, a flag of the Faroe Islands. Yeah, I'll be heading there. Here's probably a better view. It's much more prettier. Yep, it's really pretty. Look at this. I think this is what I came here to Copenhagen for.